We have 2 rounds of severe weather coming back to back. The second one is coming Tuesday night into Wednesday morning, April 14th into 15th. Let's take a look. Now, this is just the general severe thunderstorm outlook from the Storm Prediction Center. It's on a scale from 1 to 5. So we have 3 colors here, which means we have a 1 out of 5, which is the marginal risk, a 2 out of 5 is the slight risk, and a 3 out of 5 is the enhanced risk. Because that is where the best possibility for severe storm potential will be. But we still have good chances here in Michigan. Let's dive in a little deeper. This is the tornado specific outlook, focusing only on that threat. Now notice, by far, you can just tell by the colors, right, that the best chances are back over to our west, across Wisconsin, northern Illinois, and back over into Iowa. Our area, we have a very low chance of a weak tornado, but it's still a chance, and if you're in a community that has been hit by a tornado before, you know it just takes that one to make a big difference. So that's why we focus on this and tell people about the threats. Now, this outlook is just focusing on straight line damaging winds. Notice the whole lower peninsula has that potential, even over in the southern upper peninsula, down by Menominee and Marinette, maybe even Escanaba. But again, this is just the wind threat coming our way overnight Tuesday into Wednesday morning. Now, one of our more significant threats right here is the hail threat. This is focusing on just hail. To be counting as severe hail, it has to be 1 inch in diameter or larger. This hatched area, though, is indicating the possibility, as you see there, greater than 2 inches in diameter is possible. Not guaranteed, but possible with the right dynamics in place. So West Michigan, we will have to watch out for very large hail overnight Tuesday into Wednesday morning. Now, in terms of timing here, I'm going to show it to you hour by hour, but initially I just want to say most of Tuesday is going to be quiet. This is starting at 6 p.m., 7 p.m., 8 p.m., 9 p.m. So this is 9 p.m. Tuesday evening after dark. This is when we're looking at those thunderstorms popping up. And notice the best possibility is across central Michigan down into lower Michigan at this point, with just rain across the UP. But look how they start getting those bowing segments to them. That indicates that wind potential. Also, the pink is indicating that hail potential, because we're tapping into some pretty cold air higher up in the atmosphere. This is 11 p.m., so we're anywhere along and south of US 10 into the Thumb, the Saginaw Bay, the Tri-Cities, a little bit into northern lower, and then especially in the northern parts of West Michigan, we're really starting to see that activity now. Midnight, 1 o'clock in the morning, racing down over toward the east side of the state, so the Thumb in toward Flint. Now we're getting into the Detroit metro, south of Lansing, Kalamazoo, and unfortunately Three Rivers, Union City, down by Jackson and those areas. Notice that keeps making its way on through, but then the heavy rain continues. This is 5 o'clock in the morning. Flash flood potential is still going to be there, and the possibility for a couple strong wind gusts will still exist as well. Then as we go into the day Wednesday, it's not going to be very pretty.